All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol DRYS, DRYS. This one has been requested so many times. It's been a month since we've last went through this one. I'm going to take a few minutes here before we get too deep into this chart, and maybe Joe can give us some fundamentals about this. But right here is going to be the last time we went through this one. I said if this pushes past the 20-day simple moving average 547, it could pop. Very risky play, in my opinion, because of the moves and recent selling. You guys right here, obviously you can see it didn't get through that 20-day simple moving average, but you guys got through it right here. You guys got up to 471, and it just rejected it and pulled it back down. That 20-day simple moving average is going to be a very, very big key indicator into the stock. So, however, what I would like to do is take a look over here on the dip and rip board. So if you're following the stock, you're into big boards, you like to learn about them, whatever the case might be, just go over to Investors Hangout up in the top right hand corner and type in dip, and you're going to get the NASDAQ dip and rip board. This is all big boards right here. A lot of very, very powerful knowledge on this board of Fitz Cars and all the members over there working together. So if you go to search bar then and type in DRYS right there in the middle of that board, it's going to pull up every post on this one right here. So that being said, again, I mean the personal with DRYS right here was originally called right here, time to buy right here, and that was going to be on the 19th, and there was another one back here further that it was called right here. So that was called back over here before it made this big pop down here at the 211 area. Okay, that's all available over here. Now I just noticed that it was brought up again. Where was this at? Shorts are covering, zooming in to right here. And it started rallying after that. That was at $1.21. You guys got up to 209. This stock right here, you guys are going to be at a pivotal point right now where it's at. It's just like every time this thing moves, it just gets knocked back down. Just gets knocked right back down again right now. $1.63 is going to be a must hold low. Okay, so that right there, yeah, that's going to be a must hold. Trying to come back up here a little bit more. $1.80, yeah, that $1.80 right there, especially the 10-day simple moving average, guys. That is where it's sitting at right now. The $1.66, that is going to be a must hold. If that breaks, $1.21 is going to come quick. If that $1.21 hits, it could keep going down further. It's just that the buying pressure is gone. It needs to come back. You guys need to break the 253 for this thing to start turning bullish. If you guys break 312, this thing will rally after that, in my opinion. But right now, it really comes down to the buying pressure. I've said it so many times in this stock that it's very risky, in my personal opinion. Very, very risky. Joe, you can go ahead and take over.
Yeah, let's see. They put up their annual report today, this morning. So their press release from today is basically announcing that they put it up. So I was looking over at it, and it's extensive. I mean, they obviously, from following the stock for the last few months, we obviously know that they've gone through a lot of different things between reverse splits and equity sales and everything else. So I don't know where they stand, but I'm looking to go to their I'm trying to find just a going concern. Because I mean, I could go over the numbers and everything else, but it's extensive. If you guys want to go and research this, it'll take me a little longer than the 5 minutes I've been on this. And a couple 100 pages. Hold on. Man, this thing's extensive.
What is it?
Well, I'm looking at it right here. This report. I was just looking for that going concern because obviously they've gone through a lot of different things, you know, between equity sales and reverse splits and everything else. So I just want to see what their going concern is, like as of today, like what they put in here, you know, because their numbers, obviously, if you look at the numbers from where they were, say like a few years back to what they, you know, what they offered, well, what they presented in the 2016, it really shows like a drastic decline in revenues. But at the same time, they've had a lot of things happen between like buying different ships and everything else. So, I mean, 2017 obviously could be their turnaround. So, obviously, you want to go and look at the growing concern, go through all these, see what kind of like, you know, kind of notes are out there. But I mean, this is extensive. They're talking a couple hundred pages on here. Yeah, you know what, Dave? I'm having a hard time just scrolling down and finding this freaking thing for some reason. Yeah, we're gonna cut it there then, because I mean, if I can't find it, and I'm looking, and maybe it's because I'm trying to rush, but there's a lot of different information in here. How's the market doing on it right now? It's down.
Yeah, it's down 2.17%.
Mm. Because obviously other people have been looking at it too. It'll give you an idea if they like it or whatnot. As always, if you have an opinion on it, go right over to the DRYS board over there on Investors Hangout and feel free to share that opinion with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that are using the site daily. And if you want to read this 100 and something page report, it's over there under the filings. You'll see it right there. And obviously, if you want to do some due diligence, you can pull up the recent news, the financials, and everything else. All right there at your fingertips.
All right, so again with DRYS, $1.80, 10-day simple moving average, $1.65 is a $1.66 is a must hold here in my opinion. Otherwise, $1.21 will come quick. And if you fall below $1.21, it could keep dropping much more. Breakout at 312 would turn this bullish. Okay, that would be a really big sign if this thing breaks 312. It really would be. It hasn't broke the 30-day simple moving average since way back here on November of last year. So definitely would like to see that happen here with DRYS. Keep an eye on this one, okay? If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Share this video on other forums and message boards, and we'd appreciate that very much. If you have another stock that you're following that you would like to see us take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live.